Hi, this is the OPPO Find N2 Flip and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while its application will download and then installing on your device. Then click to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, tap to OK in the left down corner, and now we can see information about battery health, and my battery is in good condition. So also we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.